Imagine slicing plywood as cleanly as glass, then swapping the same battery to unleash a hurricane-force blower. Today's lineup makes that leap in seconds. From table saw accurate track cutters to whisper quiet compressors, we're exploring 30 breakthrough tools Amazon just dropped. You'll discover what they are, how they carve hours off everyday jobs, and why one unexpected twist might completely rewrite your workshop playbook. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 30. DJI Power 1000 Portable Power Station. DJI's Power 1000 packs 1,024 watt-hour of lithium iron phosphate energy and a 2400 watts inverter into carry-on dimensions. 4 AC sockets, 2 140 watts USB-C, dual USB-A, and a 12 volts port feed everything from induction cookers to drones. While 1800 watts solar or wall fast charge hits 80% in 70 minutes. The Smart Supply app balances loads and tracks cycles, and the advanced battery management system promises 3,500 cycles to 80%. Quiet, fan-cooled, and aviation-grade, it's reliable juice wherever you land. Number 29. Klein Tools CL450 Clamp Meter. Klein's CL450 Clamp Meter gives heating, ventilation, and air conditioning techs lab-grade readings from a tool bag frame. True Root Mean Square delivers voltage and current on variable speed drives, while inrush and low impedance modes capture startup surges and ghost voltage. Measure 600 ampere AC/DC, 1000 volts, DC microamps for flame sensors, and contact temperature up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit with the included thermocouple. A backlit display, work light, and audible continuity keep you productive in dim attics. Drop-rated 6.6 feet with CAT for 600 volts, safety for everyday confidence. Number 28. Ryobi 18 Volt 1 Plus Cordless Cultivator. Ryobi's 18 Volt 1 Plus Cordless Cultivator turns backyard beds without blisters. 4 counter-rotating steel tines chew a 7.5-inch swath up to 4 inches deep, pulverizing soil and uprooting weeds in seconds. At just 14 pounds with battery, the telescoping shaft and two-handed handle let you steer effortlessly between rows, while the detachable guard keeps mulch where it belongs. Because it runs on the ubiquitous ONE+ battery, you can till 325 square feet per charge and swap packs to keep planting. Number 27. OLIGHT Seeker 4 Mini Rechargeable Flashlight. OLIGHT's Seeker 4 Mini squeezes dual LEDs into a torch smaller than a roll of quarters. One press unleashes 1200 lumens of flood. Hold for a 110 lumens ultraviolet beam that reveals leaks or counterfeit bills. The magnetic tail sticks to steel and snaps to the magnetic charging cable 3 charger, topping the 1100 mAh cell in 90 minutes. IPX8 waterproof, 1.5 meter drop rated, and sporting a 2-way clip, this 3.4-inch light is the Swiss Army lantern for every pocket. Number 26. DeWalt 20-volt Max Swivel-Head Metal Shear. DeWalt's 20-volt Max Swivel-Head Metal Shear slices sheet steel like cordless scissors. The 360-degree rotating head and variable speed trigger power a double-cut blade that removes a 7/32 strip, leaving burr-free edges on 18-gauge steel or 20-gauge stainless. Delivering up to 2,300 strokes per minute, it tracks tight curves with a 5-inch radius, while the rubber over mold grips tame vibration. Compatible with all 20-volt batteries, this tool frees installers from cords when ducting, roofing, or creative metalwork anywhere, anytime. Number 25. Fanttic T1 Max Cordless Smart Soldering-Iron Kit. The Fanttic T1 Max packs bench-grade soldering into a pocket-sized wand. Its 30-watt ceramic heater rockets to 840 degrees Fahrenheit in 7 seconds and holds 6 preset temps, while an OLED screen shows live tip status. Go cordless for 60 minutes on the 2600 mAh lithium-ion, or plug into USB-C for unlimited AC power. Motion wake, auto sleep, and overheat protection guard both board and user. And the kit ships with magnetic precision tips, tweezers, and a bonus compact travel case. Number 24. Ego Power Plus Ped 1500 Nexus Escape 150-watt power inverter. Ego's Nexus Escape turns any 56-volt battery into a silent 150-watt power brick. Pure Sine AC runs laptops or fans, while twin USB-A ports top phones. At only 1.8 pounds, it slips into a glove box and powers devices for 9 hours on a 5 ampere-hour pack. Overheat and low-voltage protection guard electronics, and you can pop the battery back onto tools once the lights return. Perfect for camping, tailgates, or blackout peace of mind. No gasoline required. Number 23. GEARWRENCH 120 XP Micrometer Torquey Wrench. GEARWRENCH's 120 XP torque wrench tightens bolts with just 3 degrees of swing, perfect in cramped bays. Dual-pole head gives 120 positions. The knurled aluminum handle clicks from 10 to 100 feet-pound at plus or minus 3% accuracy. Pull the spring collar, dial your setting, lock, and turn until the loud click signals stop. Stored in a molded case and backed by a calibration certificate, it keeps lug nuts perfect and wheels secure mile after mile. Number 22. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Compact Quiet Air Compressor. Milwaukee's M18 Fuel Quiet Compressor delivers 135 pounds per square inch at just 68 decibel conversation level, so trim carpenters can drive brads without drowning podcasts. 1. High output 8 ampere-hour battery fires about 700 finish nails, and the brushless motor refills the 2-gallon tank from empty in under a minute. A 31-pound roll cage body slides under counters. The swivel quick coupler prevents hose kinks, and a front drain valve dumps moisture fast. Finally, cordless convenience meets job site air. No earplugs or extension cords needed. Number 21. Ryobi 1 Plus 18 Volt 8-inch Pruning Chainsaw. Ryobi's 1 plus 8-inch pruning chainsaw turns any 18-volt battery into arbor muscle. The inline bar chews limbs up to 6 inches thick at 4.6 meters per second chain speed, yet the saw weighs just 6.5 pounds with a 2 amp-hour pack. Push-button oiler and side access tensioner simplify maintenance, while the handle's handguard doubles as branch hook to pull cut limbs free. It makes 23 cuts in 4x4 per charge. Perfect for storm cleanup, trail work, or shaping fruit trees quietly. Number 20. Milwaukee M12 Brushless Electric Pruning Shears. Milwaukee's compact M12 pruning shears replace hand fatigue with brushless torque. They muscle through branches up to 1 1/4 inches thick, yet a half-mode switch limits bite for delicate stems and doubles runtime. Active blade control mirrors trigger travel, giving you surgeon-grade precision inside tangled limbs. Pair the tool with a CP 2-pack and you'll log about 1,000 half-inch cuts per charge. No ladders, no blisters. At just 2.8 pounds, it's the fast, cordless way to prune smarter. Number 19. Greenworks 60-volt 16-inch Brushless String Trimmer. Greenworks 60-volt string trimmer swaps 2-stroke smoke for silent torque. The brushless motor spins a 16-inch head that feeds 0.095-inch line automatically via bump rewind. A thumb variable trigger toggles eco for 45 minutes edging or turbo for thick Johnson grass. Carbon fiber shaft weighs just 10 pounds with the 2.5 amp-hour pack, while the trigger guard rotates 90 degrees for crisp sidewalk edging. Quick reload spool, IPX4 weather seal, and cross-platform 60-volt batteries make this the pro-grade, no-gas answer to weekend yard wars. Number 18. Klein Tools 7-in-1 Impact Flip Socket Driver Set. Klein's 7-in-1 Impact Flip Socket Set packs 6 color-coded nut driver sizes plus a 1/4-inch bit holder on one magnetized shaft that snaps into an impact or the included quick connect handle. Flip the 3 double-ended sockets to jump from 1/4 to 1/2 inch in seconds. Rare earth magnets secure hardware. Impact-rated steel survives brutal torque, and the slim 7-inch body reaches cramped panels ordinary sockets can't touch. Color laser etching keeps sizes visible even after months of abuse. Number 17. Workpro 10-piece precision screwdriver set. Workpro's Precision Kit outfits you for every tiny fastener from eyeglasses to smartphones. The zippered pouch holds 10 screwdrivers, 4 slotted, 3 Phillips, 3 Torx, each tipped with magnetized chrome vanadium steel for secure pickup. Color-coded non-slip handles with spinning end caps let you twirl microscrews without rolling off the bench. A clear size chart inside the lid prevents guessing mid-project, and at under 9 ounces total, this affordable set punches above its weight for hobby repair and electronics work. Number 16. Adderix Stainless Digital Caliper with LCD. Adderix Stainless Digital Caliper removes guesswork from precise layouts. A large LCD toggles inch, millimeter, and fraction readings down to 0.0005 inches, while the thumb roller glides the jaws effortlessly. Measure outside, inside, depth, and step dimensions up to 6 inches, then hit 0 at any position for comparative checks. Auto-off conserves power, and a spare CR2032 lives in the case, so your caliper is always ready for woodworking, 3D printing, or mechanical projects. Number 15. Wizzy Wheel 4-inch Decal and Sticker Eraser Kit. The Wizzy Wheel turns any drill into a paint-safe sticker assassin. The 4-inch rubber disc spins at 2,600 to 4,000 revolutions per minute, lifting decals, pinstripes, and adhesive without chemicals or scratched clear coat. Slip the included arbor into any standard chuck. Serrated grooves keep the wheel cool and clog-free. One wheel cleans 1,500 square feet of vinyl, costing less than heat guns or razor blades for automotive detailing. Safe on glass and metal, it meets original equipment manufacturer paint standards and leaves factory shine behind. Number 14. Seacone 1800 watts Dual-Temp Heat Gun Kit. Seacone's 1800 watts heat gun blitzes tasks from paint stripping to shrink tubing. 2 airflow settings power a ceramic element from 122 to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit, reaching full heat in 1.5 seconds. Overload shutdown and a cushioned grip protect both user and coils, while a 6-foot cord keeps outlets in reach. The kit includes 4 snap-on nozzles and a scraper, letting you focus, fan, or wrap heat precisely without extra trips to the store. All packed in a durable molded case. Number 13. Keter Folding Work Table and Sawhorse. Keter's folding work table sets up a 1,000-pound platform in 30 seconds. Pop the legs and you've got a 33 by 21-inch weatherproof resin top braced with aluminum rails. 2 included 12-inch clamps lock work horizontally or vertically for sawing or gluing. Rubber feet steady it on slick floors, and an integrated carry handle makes one-hand transport simple. After the job, the bench folds to 4.4 inches thick and under 30 pounds, sliding behind a truck seat or garage pegboard. Number 12. KeySmart Pro Key Organizer with Tile. Stop jingling. The KeySmart Pro stacks up to 10 keys inside an aircraft-grade aluminum chassis and adds Tile Bluetooth tracking, a 110 decibel ring, and a front-facing LED flashlight. Lost your phone? Double-press the button and Tile pings it, even on silent. A micro USB charge lasts up to 3 months, and the loop ring holds your fob or pocket tools. Sleek, silent, and virtually unlosable. The Pro is drop-tested to survive the daily grind. Precisely without extra trips to the store. All packed in a durable molded case. Number 11. Knipex Twin Grip Slip Joint Pliers. Knipex's Twin Grip Pliers rescue stripped screws other tools cannot. Push the button to set 5 jaw widths, then attack from the front or side, hardened teeth, grip heads as thin as 3 millimeters, or nuts up to 22 millimeters. The high-leverage design multiplies hand force, and the slim box joint slides into cramped panels. Laser-hardened 60 high-speed rubber coupling jaws shrug rust while the red-blue comfort grips spare knuckles. Keep one in every service bag for rusted fasteners, plumbing caps, and rounded bolts. Number 10. Crescent Lufkin Shockforce G 225 feet magnetic tape measure. Crescent's Shockforce G 2 tape laughs at job site abuse. The dual-coated steel blade delivers a long 14-foot standout, with black on yellow print one side and white reverse for vertical reads. A tether hole, rated 1,360 pounds, prevents drops, while a diamond-coated end hook bites pipe, angle iron, and rebar. The magnetic version adds rare earth grip, and the integrated finger brake lets you scribe precisely without pinching. Survive 120-foot drop tests and keep measuring shift after shift when cheaper tapes simply bend into scrap. Number 9. Anker Solix F2000 2400 watts portable power station. Anker's Solix F2000 is a suitcase-sized generator packing 2048 watt-hour of lithium iron phosphate storage and 2400 watts pure sine output, surging to 3600 watts with surge pad. Hyperflash AC recharges 0 to 80% in 90 minutes, or plug in up to 1 kilowatt of solar. 12 ports, 3 100-watt USB-C, 4 AC, recreational vehicle outlet, dual USB-A, twin car sockets, feed everything from welders to laptops. Gallium nitride prime electronics promise a 10-year lifespan, and telescoping handle plus treaded wheels roll the 67-pound beast anywhere. Silence and clean power are king. Number 8. Husqvarna Automower 430 XH GPS Robotic Lawn Mower. Husqvarna's Automower 430 XH mows your lawn while you relax. GPS-assisted navigation, ultrasonic sensors, and boundary wires manicure up to 0.8 acre, even 45% slopes, while weather timer logic trims more during growth spurts. 3 pivoting razors whisper at just 57 decibels for 24/7 operation, and the Automower Connect app lets you geofence, schedule, and summon Alexa or Google. When batteries dip, the bot drives itself home to recharge, then resumes the cut line for line, leaving carpet-smooth turf without a single grass clipping in sight. Number 7. Leatherman ARC 20-in-1 Premium Multi-Tool. Leatherman's ARC is the first multi-tool to wield ultra-tough MagnaCut steel. 20 implements, bit driver, saw, spring pliers, file, scissors, more, deploy one-handed via free magnetic architecture and lock with a crisp click. At 8 ounces and under 4 inches closed, it pockets easier than many everyday carry knives, yet brings a 2.9-inch blade that rivals customs for edge retention. A deep carry clip, modular bit options, and 25-year warranty crown this polished powerhouse the new king of do-everything pocket gear. Number 6. Bosch Blaze 165 feet green beam laser measure. Bosch's Blaze fires a bright green beam that's 4 times easier to see than red, measuring up to 165 feet with plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy. Real-time mode works like a digital tape. Add, subtract, and area volume functions crunch math on the fly. The color screen auto-rotates, Bluetooth exports dimensions to the Measure On app, and a USB rechargeable lithium-ion cell last week's. IP65 sealing and a 3-foot drop spec mean this palm-size meter survives dusty, wet job sites where analog tapes rust. Number 5. Works Nitro LeafJet 40-volt cordless blower. Works' Nitro LeafJet stuffs turbine power into a 6.7-pound blower you steer one-handed. Dual 20-volt PowerShare batteries feed a brushless motor that shifts from 260 cubic feet per minute eco to 620 cubic feet per minute turbo at 125 miles per hour, enough to roll wet leaves and gravel. Slide throttle nozzle control trades volume for speed, and the inline layout keeps air, boosting efficiency. Supplied 4 amp-hour packs recharge in an hour, so patios, decks, and vans go from cluttered to spotless without gas fumes or ear-splitting roar. Number 4. Sonos Move 2 wireless portable Bluetooth speaker. Sonos Move 2 upgrades the party with dual tweeters and a precision woofer that pump true stereo sound and 40% deeper bass wherever you roam. Wi-Fi or Bluetooth 5 streams seamlessly. Automatic TruePlay tuning adapts to patios, beaches, or living rooms in seconds. A 24-hour battery, IP56 weatherproof shell, and wireless charging base keep the music rolling all day. Touch controls, Alexa built-in, and USB-C line-in make this grab-and-go speaker the only system you need. Tracked and area volume functions crunch math on the fly. The color screen auto-rotates, Bluetooth exports dimensions. Number 3. DeWalt Atomic 20 Volt Max Circular Saw. DeWalt's Atomic 4.5-inch circular saw is the one-hand powerhouse for tight cuts where a 7 1/4 just won't fit. The brushless 20 Volt Max motor drives the blade 4,500 revolutions per minute, slicing 1 to 11/16 inches deep and beveling 45 degrees for plunge, rip, or drywall work. A handle lines your wrist with the cut, a rafter hook frees up ladders, and the dust port snaps to airlock hoses. Add a 5 amp-hour pack and you'll cross-cut 339 linear feet of 2x4 per charge. Number 2. Ego Power plus 765 cubic feet per minute cordless leaf blower. Ego's LB7654 is a handheld hurricane for your yard. Activate turbo and the axial fan unleashes 765 cubic feet per minute at 200 miles per hour, 15% stronger than any gas rival. Yet the brushless motor hums at just 65 decibel. The included 5 amp-hour battery runs up to 90 minutes on low and recharges in 50 minutes. Cruise control dial, tapered and spreader nozzles, plus weather-resistant housing prove clean, quiet, cordless power can finally dethrone two-stroke noise and fumes for good. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Impact Wrench. Milwaukee's crams record muscle into a 7.6-inch body. The Power State brushless motor delivers 1,000 feet-pound fastening and a staggering 1,600 feet-pound nut-busting torque, ripping off rusted 2-inch lugs with ease. 4. Drive control modes plus bolt removal and auto-stop tame that power, while a tri-LED crown floods dark wheel wells. Paired with a red lithium forge pack, it spits out 3,000 impacts per minute without overheating. Mechanics now get breaker bar strength, cordless freedom, and all-day endurance in one rugged compact package. From Magnum-powered track saws to pocket-sized power stations, each gadget proves the future of work is cordless, connected, and crazy efficient. If one of these tools sparked an idea or just made your wish list longer, smash that like button. Share this roundup with a buddy who's still wrangling extension cords, and hit subscribe plus the bell so you never miss our next gear deep dive.